Welcome to Law Offices of Lal Varghese. We are located in Dallas, Texas, United States of America. We can be contacted at our WhatsApp number +1 972 556 1109. Repeating +1 972 556 1109. Please remember that we are 12 hours behind Indian time. If you want to contact us by phone, the best time to call us is between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. Indian time from Monday through Friday. If you are unable to contact us during this time frame, you are welcome to send us an email at our email address attyl@aol.com. We will reply to you within 24 hours. Also remember that we are not allowed to give you case-specific informations, but we will be glad to give you general information about your questions and concerns. In this episode, I'm going to discuss about the new rule which is going to take effect from November 1st. The travel ban from all countries, including India, is going to be lifted for those people having taken 2 doses of COVID vaccines. According to the Department of State and White House and CDC, the US government is working on making a final rule to lift the travel ban. At present, the travel ban is effective from about 30 countries, including Ireland, European countries, Brazil, Africa, China, Canada, and Mexico. So, the travel ban from all these countries are only for non-immigrant visa holders. Since vaccines are available in every country and it is proven effective against COVID, several countries have lifted the travel ban. England has lifted the travel ban for travelers with valid visas, but England has not lifted the travel ban for people from India, even though they have 2 doses of vaccines, because England is not recognizing the vaccines taken or being given in India, because it is not proven that those vaccines are effective to produce antibodies to resist COVID variants, especially the Delta and Delta Plus originated and spreading from India. At this time, it is unknown whether US government is also going to follow the same, like the England, not recognizing or not accepting the vaccines administered in India as effective to resist the COVID virus, especially the new variants Delta and Delta Plus. So, it is a good news. At least beginning November 1st week, all visa holders, non-immigrant visa holders who were banned from entering United States will be able to travel to United States without the requirement of 14 days quarantine in a third country, without the requirement of a national interest exception waiver. They can travel straight to United States from India or from any other countries previously banned from entering United States. The only requirement according to the US government is that each traveler must have a PCR test done within 3 days prior to the departure with a negative result, And also they need to have a test after they arrive in the United States, again with a negative result. There is no requirement for 14 days quarantine in any other third country. There is no requirement for a national interest exception waiver to be applied before travel. At this time, we anticipate that if for any reason the vaccines administered in India are not acceptable vaccines by the CDC, the Center for Disease Control, which is the highest authority in America, decides that it is not acceptable vaccines, we believe that the non-immigrant visa holders will be allowed to travel to America with a PCR test with a negative result plus a 14-day quarantine after arrival in the United States. We are not sure whether that will be done or not. Let us wait for the final rules by the CDC in this regard. So the travel ban is going to be lifted from November 1st for all non-immigrant visa holders and their families and children. At this time, there is no requirement that if you have a child, US citizen child, you don't need to have a national interest exception waiver to travel to United States. You can travel along with the child or without the child to America under the Department of State guidelines. It is also predicted that the single entry NIE is available for multiple entry and is valid for 1 year from the date of issue. It is also revealed that a person intends to travel to India from America is not allowed to apply for a NIE prior to the departure. NIE can be applied only while being physically present in India. So these are the important things. So according to the Department of State and White House, the travel ban is going to be lifted for people having taken 2 doses of vaccines from any country which is banned at this time. I'm repeating, have your fingers crossed. We do not know at this time whether the vaccines administered in India are going to be accepted as effective vaccines by the CDC in the United States. There are several studies showing that the vaccines administered in India are not as effective as vaccines produced and administered in other countries. So if that be the case, then Indian people from India may not have that much hope, even though the America lifted the travel ban or relaxed the travel ban for people having both doses of vaccine. Then the only option for people from India will be to travel to a third country, stay there for 14 days and following the rules and guidelines of quarantine in that country, then catch a flight to United States of America. But Department of State has warned that when you catch a flight from such third countries, you can be denied permission to board the flight, or you can be denied, or your visa can be revoked without assigning any reasons. So it is at your own risk that you travel to a third country and stay there for 14 days quarantine, then board the flight to United States. We are not allowed to provide you legal advice that it is okay to travel to a third country and then board the flight to United States because of this specific warnings from Department of State. Thank you for watching this episode, and we request you to subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can get the latest updated information about the consular openings, travel bans, and other related subjects. And thank you.